Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is February 24th. It's Sunday. So I just woke up. I need to change that. I'm going to fill my water and then probably eat a breakfast sandwich. We bought these for the weekend so we would stop going to like McDonald's or something. So I think I'm gonna have one of these. They are 400 calories. That's a lot. But like I said in the previous video, I currently can have a lot of calories, so this won't even put a dent in mine. So I'm gonna have one of these. I want to try these, but I'm nervous too because I've never had them. It's the acai puree packet. Puree. Jeez. Tippy, do you mind? Thanks so much. So much. Anyways, I don't have anything to go with them either because I've seen people put like granola and fruit and stuff, and I have grapes, but I recently found out I developed an allergy to them. So that's the only kind of fruit I have in my fridge to put in this, so I don't know. I'm afraid. So I'm just gonna have a sandwich. Judgment-free zone. I'm out of clean dishes, so after I eat this, I'm apparently gonna go do the dishes. But this is it cooked. Ah, it's so hot. And then I'm just gonna eat that, drink this water, which this is, where is the amount? I don't know if you can see it, 26 ounces. So I end up having about 3 or 4 of those a day. So I'm just gonna watch some YouTube, relax a little bit, and that's my breakfast. Number 2. I drink so much water. When you have 2 really loud cars and your neighbors hate you. We're on our way to Subway. Mike just parked in the middle of the freaking driveway, so I can't get out, so he's got to move it. Oh, I hate snow. Ready? And welcome to the Midwest. I got ham. Wow, he did a great job of cutting that. What'd you get? Spicy Italian?
Spicy Italian on meat.
On meat?
So, we just finished our Subway and now we are headed to Ross. Because we need to get workout clothing.
Not that most likely I can't find any there, but...
Yeah, well, we'll find some stuff. But we had our lunch at Subway, and if you don't know what a Ross is, they're pretty popular in the South.
Living under a rock.
Yeah, and they're like, I wouldn't say consignment, but they're like, you can get name brand stuff for really, really cheap.
It's like TJ Maxx and Marshalls.
Yeah.
These are cute. I don't need new shoes, but I want them. Oh, they're size 11. Ooh. These are kind of cute. I'm in the wrong area. I mean, you know I have to stop and look at makeup. Ooh, Juicy Couture. What are these? Ooh, that's shattered. Ooh, these are cute. Can we do better, Ross? There's only XL. Ooh. That's so weird. Got my pink drink.
Big drink.
That is Mike. See, this is what I'm talking about. It zooms in. Now we need to grocery shop.
We need
not barbecue sauce. I wonder if people do this. Like, I can't do hot stuff.
Oh my God.
Your dad eats too much.
The doctor said that his levels of like cholesterol and everything went down just because he's been eating
hot
chili rellenos, which is a pepper.
Huh. I just can't do it. I mean, maybe we could build up a tolerance. I need corn. So for once, our cart is looking pretty healthy, surprisingly. It's so bright out. Woo! Holy crap. It is so cold. It's actually not that cold out. It's 29 degrees, but the wind makes it feel like -3, it says. There's Mike. He tells me I get to be a princess and sit in the car while he puts everything away. Okay, I gotta go. It's cold. So here's an overview of everything we bought. If you want to see what we actually got, Mike is starting, oh, hold on, had to hide that. Mike is starting a channel. It's gonna be Get Fit with Mike. So he's gonna do the grocery haul on his channel. So I'll link that down below. Okay, ignore the dishwasher sound, but we're going to try kombucha. This is Health Aid Kombucha Pink Lady Apple. We got this kind because of Jackie Ina.
Jackie.
So, Mike, you're gonna go first. I know, we just read about it, which we probably shouldn't have, because it told us it's something about mushrooms and we don't like mushrooms. Oh, my arm.
I'm nervous.
Don't smell it. I heard it smells worse than it tastes, yeah.
Oh my god.
I was going to tell you, don't smell it. I said don't smell
smells
it.
like vinegar, but with like a...
Yeah, you're not supposed to smell it.
This is follow your gut.
Come on.
Okay.
Wow, I was just going to sip it.
It's not that bad. No, it really isn't. So, like, listen.
Okay, but what about a non-tea liker like me?
Listen. So, kombucha is, like, slightly fermented. So, it kind of tastes like...
Can you hold this?
Like,
Tippy.
Well, that would be my thumb. So, it...
No. Go the other way. I didn't have it that way. Now you just flipped it.
You guys switch me sides.
Tippy.
So, it's, slightly fermented, which means there's slight alcohol in there. So it tastes like one of those hard cider beers.
Oh.
And you can really taste the yeast.
Oh.
No, take a bigger gulp, put it in your mouth and taste it. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. But
I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not good. I wouldn't just go out and want to drink this.
I would definitely drink it for its health benefits.
I guess.
You know, but I sure wouldn't be like, oh, I want some kombucha. You know, that's not the tastiest thing in the world.
I feel
but
like
it's
I
not
would
bad.
rather down those like nutritional shots because it's a shot, whereas this is a whole drink.
I would drink it daily just because.
Well, guess what? It's yours.
My thumb's stuck.
I noticed.
Okay.
Chippy.
Well, it looks like I gotta drink it.
Look at him. Okay, so we are in the process of making dinner. This is actually going to be on Mike's channel. I know it's probably annoying to have to go back and forth. So I'm just going to explain to you what we're making, and when we're done with it, I'll show you. So we have these Green Giant veggie tots. It's broccoli and cheese. Never tried it. We have that going in the air fryer. And then over here, I have chicken cooking on a skillet, which I actually need to flip while I'm standing here. Okay, sorry about that. Realized I can't multitask, so I flipped all those. Now I'm going to start meal prepping for my lunches on the week. So for my lunches during the week, I have rice, chicken, and green beans, like kind of all mashed together in like a bowl, like a burrito bowl in a way. And then I also put lemon juice in it. So I'm gonna cook up the rice. I have a rice cooker here. So what I typically do is 2 cups of these. So it's 2 cups of this and then 4 cups of water in the rice cooker. I do cook it plain because I put lemon juice in it, and then the juices from the green beans kind of all flavor it together. So for me, I actually really like that. If you don't like lemon juice, you probably would want to season your rice. Also, let me show you the chicken I buy. So I am lazy and I do not make my own chicken for this, so I actually buy pre-cooked chicken. This is from Oscar Mayer. It is the Southwestern seasoned chicken strips. Love this flavor. So that also goes into the flavoring of the whole meal. I'm going to be using white rice. It really should be brown, I know that. But I had bought so many packages of white rice that I just want to use it up. And then we did buy brown rice and put it in here. So once I'm done with the white rice, I'll do the brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook that, and then I'll show you me plating it and everything. Okay, so this is dinner finished. It's the chicken and then the broccoli stuff. So Mike. No? P.S. We hate broccoli.
It's all right.
I've got ketchup.
It's all right.
Okay, that piece wasn't as bad. I took a bite before I started filming. This is disgusting. That piece had more cheese. I mean, I guess if this is how we get us to eat vegetables. Okay, we're switching to my actual camera so I can show you this. So I'm gonna make my meal prep my meal prep salads. So I have these containers that I got off of Amazon. I will link them down below if I can find them. But I'm just gonna make the salads pretty basic. I'm gonna cut up the cucumbers. I'm going to leave the tomatoes whole because the juices will make everything soggy and nasty. So I'm gonna leave them whole, and then when I go to eat them, then I'll cut them up. For my meal preps, I actually only do 4 days worth of meal prepping, and then on the 5th day, I kind of eat whatever. It's even if it's ramen or something I have at the house, or maybe a leftover one of the days. So I only ever do 4. So I'm gonna make a American Greek salad. So the only difference is you add lettuce. So this is just romaine. So these are actually just gonna be like my small side. So I'm not gonna put a lot in them. Yeah, whatever. So I ended up actually only using 1 bag for 4 days, which is great. So that means I can use this at dinner time sometime this week. And then I'm gonna cut up a couple of cucumbers. I actually don't like a lot of cucumbers in my salad. So I'm probably gonna split it between 1 and 2 of these. So I'm gonna rinse this off. We'll just use this baby one. So I'm just gonna cut them. So 1 cucumber split between 4 days, nice. So 4 tomatoes, like I said, I'm not gonna cut them up because I don't want this to get everywhere, the juices. So I'm just gonna put 2 tomatoes per each one, but I'm going to clean them before I put them in there. Okay, so next I'm going to get my cheese ready, which is feta cheese, of course. This is just, let me show you. This is just Athenos feta, a traditional feta if you want to be accurate. This is the block. I don't like the crumbles. Feta, just so you guys know, is supposed to be sitting in a liquid. This doesn't really have it sitting in much, and so I will take it out when I get it, put it in a container and add some water to it, because to keep it good and ripe and fresh, ripe, that's a weird word, you need to have it in liquid. We're gonna cut up. Now at the moment, I'm not worrying about calories, I'm just worrying about trying to eat healthier in general. So I will probably be putting more feta than you will. I did buy this new ranch, it's Greek yogurt, to try it, but I actually don't think I want to do that. I'm just going to make a concoction of olive oil, oregano, and red wine vinaigrette, and that's just going to be my dressing. Okay, great news. I remembered I have a second camera battery, so I figured I'd go ahead and show you the dressing that I make. So I just put it in this little container, and probably halfway through the week I'm going to have to fill this container back up and do it again. But I do Pompeii's, whatever, red wine vinegar. I have olive oil. Let me show you the kind. Okay, this is the kind I currently have. Huge big bottle. My dad actually is constantly giving me more of these. He goes to like Greek towns which import it straight from Greece. So it's got the Kalamata olives. So he constantly is giving me these, but I finally did finish one of these, and so I just opened this one and put it in here. So this is what I use. You just want to use extra virgin olive oil. So I will take a lot of this and I will pour it in here. And mind you, this is going to be for at least 3 or 4 days worth, so I do put a lot in it. And then I put some wet red wine vinegar, but I don't put a lot in. And then I put some oregano, just because I don't put it in the salad, so I put it in here. And then I also put lemon juice. I forgot to mention that earlier. And I'm a lemon juice like fanatic, so that's why I have the big bottle. And then when I go to work, I take this one, which I constantly refill with this. So I will put a little bit of that in there. And then I just close the lid and shake it up. So then that's what it looks like. And the majority of the stuff you will buy at the store that says it's a Greek vinaigrette or something like that, the majority of it has basically this. And I know I've seen some of them that have feta pieces in it as well, but I don't do that because it's in my salad. So those are my salads. Now let's move on to the main part. Okay, so my rice is done. I need a hand thing. And like I said earlier, this is just plain rice. There's nothing in it, nothing to it. So what I like to do is, I don't really measure this, but to make it semi-similar, like close to being the same for all of them, I do go in with this 1/4 cup, and I just kind of do this and hope that they all get pretty similar to the same. So I guess if you look at this, they each have a little over 1/2 cup. I forgot to mention, I already put my green beans away. I only have 2 of these that I can find. I have more, but I can't find them. So I'm just doing this for 2 days worth, and then in 2 days I will go put this again. All it is canned green beans. This is 1 can just split into 2 days, and it's the French style cut. I literally don't do anything else with this. I don't put salt, don't put pepper, nothing. Like I said earlier, this is the chicken I use. I split one of these into 2 days, and I do like pick through it because I don't like big pieces like this, so I'll cut it up with my fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video because for the rest of the night we're just doing some work related stuff with Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.